to another weekly vlog. I just finished filming my no makeup routine, so definitely go check it out if you like a very, very natural no makeup routine. I'm super excited to get back into a weekly vlog. Today, we're starting off, I'm hoping that my furniture delivery comes this week. Okay, I have been waiting for this furniture delivery for so long, and I just want it to come. If it's gonna come on time, today and tomorrow are the last days that it can come, and since it didn't come today, better come tomorrow. Anyway, I'm about to leave to go meet up with my boyfriend. We're gonna go to the gym. Come on with me. Let's go get a good workout in. You guys, I really am in my like productive, get my life together. Like I wanna be the best version of myself. I feel like I owe it to myself. We're gonna make that happen. So I really am in this like, let's freaking do it. Let's do it all. Life is short, let's get it done. I literally feel unstoppable whenever I'm in a slick back bun. So that's the vibes for the day. I just finished a short shift today, and I didn't bring my vlog camera because I thought that I was just gonna go home right after my shift, but then Keenan and I decided we were gonna have like a little at-home date night tonight. There's just a few things that we still need for the apartment, so I'm gonna go find some wine glasses. I've already stopped at 2 places, but they were like thick. I want like thin ones. I tried like TK Maxx and I tried H&M Home, so I'm going to the Biacorp and seeing if they have good ones there. They also sell Skims there, so I'll be keeping my eyes out. Okay, I found exactly what I was looking for, the thinner wine glasses. So I like these, but then they also have like rounded. I think I like the other ones more. And then these could be cute for like a little martini. I'm walking around, there's a lot of options, so I'm trying to see what the vibe would be. If I had a girl apartment, like look at how cute, and the pans and like the salt. If I had a girl apartment, I would be all over this. Bag secured. The Skims section was amazing, you guys. It was like in stock, but for the sake of my bank account, I needed to get out of there. I needed to go. I would have spent way too much. They had all the Valentine's Day collection, the cutest like red bodysuit, and the like viral one that like snatches. I'll go back later, but right now I have to put the apartment first. Baby daddy gay. I self-tanned the other day. I love Coco and Eve. Best self-tan ever. Wait, have you guys listened yet to the new Tate McRae album? No, because she did not have to eat this hard. Like, I'm obsessed. It's so good. Every single song she did not miss.
We're on our way back from the gym. We're on our way home. We're gonna get some chow.
We were in and out of there. I don't know what it was, but today the weights just felt like so much heavier than normal low energy workout, you know what I mean? It's Saturday. I'm getting ready for a little girls' night out, and I just finished the hair. What do you think? There's like a million bobby pins on my head right now, but I think it turned out good. Anyway, I wore this makeup look to work today, but I'm gonna in a second, because I really don't want to wash it off, nor do I have the time to wash it off and do it all again. So I'm just going to transition it from like my regular routine to make it a little bit more nighttime. But while I'm getting ready and I'm about to have a glass of wine, play some music, and just have my girl get ready with me time, and I want the vibes to be amazing. So as you guys know, we just moved into our apartment not too long ago, and so we're still trying to make it feel like home. And a big thing about your apartment feeling like home is the scent of the apartment, the smell of the apartment. I'm gonna light a candle. Sense has this amazing creamy vanilla pie candle. No, it literally smells so good, and it's a soy candle. And then also look literally just at how cute this jar is. Like once I finish this candle, I already know I'm gonna be putting my makeup brushes in it and have it as like a cute display on my vanity. It smells so good. So I'm gonna light it. So this is perfect. We both can enjoy the nice ambiance. of the candle, and you can get it on Amazon. And I'm about to hook you guys up because Sons was able to give me a code for you guys so you guys can enjoy the candles. I'll also put a link in my description as well, and they have tons of different candles with so many yummy smells. So I'm gonna set it up in my vanity so that we have a proper like ambiance in here. Does that not look so cute just displayed up there? Like I said, you can get the Sons candles on Amazon. Don't forget to put in the discount Sons 10. They have so many amazing scents. It was actually so hard for me to pick a scent that I wanted to try. It was either up between the creamy vanilla pie or the fresh linen, but I just loved the casing of the creamy vanilla pie, and I was like, I am putting my makeup brushes in that after. So vanilla just smells so good, especially in the winter time. So I think when summer comes around, I'm gonna try either the ocean scent or the fresh linen scent, just because I feel like those will be amazing during summer. But for the winter, creamy vanilla pie is literally perfect. So if you guys are looking for some good soy candles, check them out on Amazon, and you can shop in the link in my description. Anyway, back to getting ready. I'm just gonna update my makeup a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, and I'm gonna bring you out with me tonight, okay? We're having a girls' night. You're coming with. I'm so excited. All right, so I just finished getting ready. This is how the makeup turned out, but I wanted to show you guys how the candle is doing right now. One of my biggest pet peeves with candles is when they don't burn correctly through. You know how like you want to blow out a candle when it's all the way burned through and flat? But look at how perfect this one burned. Burned perfectly through, and it smells so good, and I just love how it looks on the vanity. So cute. Okay, you guys, I finished getting ready. So this is the fit. I'm filming in like the empty corner of our apartment. This is the fit. Then I'm wearing these like super cute white bow heels. And then I have like a silver and white purse. This is the vibe that we're going with tonight. So we left the first place we were at, and when we were leaving, our server was like, no, you can't leave on one drink, like you can't walk on one leg. You tried so hard. And we were like, our plan was to hop to a few places just to like get the full experience of Amsterdam. Our next stop was not the vibe. It was not it. It was not the vibe. So now we're gonna go back and take a shot. Do you want to do like a half shot and then, or are you like ready to do the full? I think we should full set it. You think full set it? Oh my god, I'm literally gonna die. Okay. So you lick and then you put. Oh, thank you. I'm terrified. I'm literally terrified. We're about to take a tequila shot. Cheers. Okay, wait. That was so easy. That's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
To your liking? That's a good choice.
Amazing.
We have some other really nice tequilas if we're having more shots.
It's really good. It's been a minute. I did try to. Really? Completely on accident. I did a whole bottle of wine one night. And I thought that shot was going to be really hard to recover from, but I forgot. Yeah. That means tequila or like this. Cheers. Cheers. Girls' night. I spilled this again. I spill this drink every time on the first sip. No. It is Sunday evening. I got off work a bit earlier today, came home, edited this entire vlog. I normally would upload it pretty soon, but Keenan and I brought to have a little date night and go out together in the city, and I wanted to bring you guys along. I think this week has been so fun, and I've really been like getting out of my shell and getting out of the apartment more, so I just thought it'd be fun to carry on the vlog for this week. Just bring you guys along for the last little Sunday night dinner. The place that we're going to is so good. It is seafood bar. We went there for Keenan's birthday in September, and it was so good, and we've been thinking about it ever since. So we were like, you know what, let's just have a little date night and let's do it. So Keenan made us reservations. I'm about to go meet him over there because he is already in the city, but I'm about to leave. This is the little fit that I have on. I literally didn't know what to wear. I feel like I need to get like cute dinner date outfits. I don't know. I feel like my style has also completely changed since I moved here. Yeah, I'm just wearing like a tight little red top and then like these nice jeans, some little black kitten heels, and then my big jacket. I literally had like 10 minutes to just get ready really quick, so I just grabbed what I thought would be cute and put it on. And then we have to come home because I have to get up at 4 a.m. for work tomorrow. So let's make the most of tonight and have a really good night. I have a few days off after tomorrow, thankfully. I've been on the grind. I think I'm gonna do a nail refresh and try to do something like really cool since I have some time to sit down. Keenan's laughing at me because I'm actually wearing the apron.
Guys, this is a no bueno.
He won't wear the apron.
It's down here.
If that spills on your shirt.
It's not spilling on my shirt.
I'm like full apron. You guys, I really thought that last night I was going to have enough energy. I came home, I was so tired, took a shower, fell asleep, woke up at 4 a.m., worked an entire shift, so now I'm home. And then I was gonna come home, finish editing the vlog, take a nap, and then be up for uploading time because usually I upload on Sundays, but I'm a day late. I came home, we just were like go 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 this last week, and our apartment just like had the like wear and tear of a busy weekend, you know what I mean? I did a full deep clean because I was like, I cannot calm down if it's not spick and span in here. Next week is also going to be really fun, so I'm super excited to vlog that and get that up for you guys. I'm hoping my furniture comes this week because it's Monday now. I'm also just like so excited to show you the furniture. Like, I'm so excited for it. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me this week. I know this vlog was kind of like chaotic, but honestly that's how this week was. It felt very chaotic and all over the place. I'll see you guys next Sunday for another weekly vlog. Bye. Ces secrets, je les suis.